So today I'm working on this MacBook Air. It came in because the customer says that it dies pretty fast, so I'm going to replace the battery. Alright, stay tuned. First step is to remove the screws from the back cover, like that. So back cover is off. It's time for battery removal. So to remove the battery screws, you will need a T5 tape or screwdriver. All batteries off. It's time to put the new battery in. High quality new battery. All right. Look what I found inside this Mac. A big nail. Disgusting. Alright, let me just plug in this battery. Kind of hard to do with one hand, especially if it's not my good hand. Alright, so that's it. For the back screws for the cover, you will need a P5 screwdriver. I got this one from iFixit.